Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be doing an ULTA haul. These are kind of my essentials, or not really. I was running low on some things, so I wanted to pick things up. And I also picked up 2 things from my mom, so I thought we would go through it. And yeah, let's just get started. So I picked up 2 NYX micro brow pencils. They were on sale. I go back to these constantly, even though you don't really get that much product in them and they're a little bit on the expensive side for drugstore. But until I find something better than these, I'm going to continue to use these. And I was running low. I like to always have backups because I never realize when it's too low and then I'm just like screwed for the rest of the day. So I like to have backups just in case. And I need one for my fiance's house. I picked up 2 Essence mascaras. They were buy one get one 50% off. The first one's for my mom. This is the Lash Princess False Effect Mascara, which I've talked about a lot in the past, but this one is waterproof. It just came out. I'm indifferent to waterproof mascaras. I could benefit from them because I cry a lot, but my normal mascaras that are not waterproof I never have an issue with them like transferring or running down my face when I cry, usually. So I don't really care about waterproof mascaras, but my mom absolutely loves them. So when I saw this one came out, I decided to pick it up for her. The one that I have for myself is the hashtag Lashes of the Day Super Volume Mascara. I tried this a couple months ago. I definitely enjoyed it and I never picked it up again. So I figured since I was running low on my other mascaras, I would pick this up to have it ready. I love Essence mascaras because they're affordable. I think they give great volume and they're usually $5 or less anywhere that you can find that brand. So I definitely always pick them up when they're on sale. This is really the only thing I like. I like their mascaras and that's about it. I have tried their other makeup. It's a very affordable makeup brand, but I'm not really a huge fan of their eyeshadows or their eyeliner pencils. So I think their mascaras are their best selling point. The next product is also for my mom. This is the CoverGirl and Olay Simply Ageless Foundation. It's broad spectrum SPF 28. It's instant wrinkle defining. That's their little claim there, and it's in the color buff beige. So I don't know if she's gonna like this. She's been wanting a cream foundation and she wants to stick to CoverGirl. I have low expectations for this product. She uses their other CoverGirl, like the classic liquid foundation, and she wanted something else. I might just give her the Bare Minerals foundation. Well, not give it to her or buy her one because I think she might really like that one. But this one's just a cream foundation. I think she's already used it. Hopefully she likes it. If not, I'll just get her something else. If you have any suggestions for cream foundations, let me know. I've only ever tried liquid or the stick foundation that I have from Bare Minerals. So I'm really not sure how that's gonna perform on her skin, but we shall see. I also picked up a little makeup sharpener. This is from Urban Decay. It's their Grindhouse double barrel sharpener. So I really needed a sharpener at my fiance's house because the eyebrow pencils I have there are not like the ones that I just purchased. They're not retractable, so I have to sharpen them and I didn't have one. So this one comes with a larger hole and a smaller hole, and I figured I would test it out. I don't have a sharpener currently, or at least like a good quality one. So we'll see how this one works out. I'm gonna bring it over there. I always have to buy double the makeup because I don't like having to bring makeup back and forth between my house and my fiance's house because I'm always forgetting something. So I like to just have makeup that stays at his house permanently. So this is going to be one of those products. Otherwise, I could just have a makeup bag and just transfer it from bag to bag, but that doesn't always happen. I can be a forgetful person, I'm not gonna lie. I know it drives my fiance crazy, so I'm just gonna keep this at his house so that I can always sharpen the pencils that are there. Next thing is more of a body thing. This is from Chic Intuition. I love these razors. They're like the big bulky ones that have like a bigger blade, like it has like the shaving cream in it. It says no shaving gel required. I don't ever trust that claim in any type of products. I need an additional shaving cream. Side note, I'm looking for a sustainable way of shaving, like something more environmentally friendly. If you have suggestions for that, let me know. I still have to do more research on that. But for now, I have this. So it comes with the thing, with the razor, and then 4 cartridges. I thought it was a good deal. This is like in celebration for Hello Kitty. I don't know, her anniversary. I haven't bought anything Hello Kitty related in years. When I was in high school, I was obsessed with Hello Kitty. And then somehow I grew out of it. And yet here I am with this. But I really like this type of razor because I feel like it gets the job done, but it's not harsh. It doesn't give me razor burns, razor bumps, cuts, or anything like that. I'm tired of it. The only other ones that I use are like the Gillette, the pink ones. Those are great too. But again, because they don't have that barrier of like shaving cream or shaving gel around it, I feel like my legs are just more prone to getting irritated with that. It's more work, whereas this, it just kind of helps do the job for you. Doesn't always give you, I mean, it does give a smooth feeling, but I don't think it lasts as long as maybe another, I don't know. I enjoy these. I think they're fuss free, especially for the summer if you're constantly shaving. Not that you have to, but if you're someone who enjoys a hair-free type of surface, I think these are great because they're not so abrasive or stripping to your skin, basically is what I'm trying to say here. Hang on, I have a little nail system. My nails got messed up from acrylics. I did acrylics for my birthday, or was it acrylics? Like gel extension, whatever. So I got them, I removed them. They were beautiful, by the way, but the effects that they had on my nails is crazy. So I'm currently working on a video showing the progress of me going back to healthy nails. Granted, healthy nails for me doesn't necessarily equate to long nails because I do work in like a farm setting. So I'm constantly doing things that are not great for my nails, like picking up bales of straw and hay and like shoveling a whole bunch of animal poop. So I'm not looking for long nails, I'm just looking for healthy nails. And my nails right now are really short, which is fine, but they are very messed up. They have so many deep ridges that I don't even know how to explain it. Like, there's a lot of damage on my nail beds because of the acrylics. So, working through it, and I'm using this to do it. I just applied it and I just filmed a little video for it. The Dermalect Nail Recovery System. It's perfect for nails that are acrylic, gel damaged. There's an airplane flying by. It says it's perfect for like acrylic, gel damaged nails, which is exactly what I have. It comes with a 4-step process. The Launch Pad, which is the base coat, Makeover, which is a ridge filler, Hype Maintenance, which is the instant nail thickener top coat, and the nail and cuticle cream. So I didn't need to buy this. I could have just used Nail Tech or Nail Tech. I forgot what it's called. I'll put it here. And it's done good things for my nails, but I just wanted to try something new and do a review out of it, honestly. So I picked this up, but we'll see how it goes. Is it worth it? This was expensive, I'm not gonna lie. This was a pretty pricey product. And I wanna see. I wanna review it, see is it worth it? Is it not worth your money? Who knows? We'll find out in hopefully a couple weeks. I think it says here, clinically shown results in as little as 3 weeks. So maybe, maybe not. Okay, so if you made it to the end, thank you so much for watching. That is it for my haul. These are the things I purchased from Ulta. And if you want to see reviews on any of these products, let me know down below. And I will see you guys next time with another video. Bye.